I'm wetting the upper part of the paper with clean water using my mop brush. Just approximately 1/3 of the paper. And I'm applying pure indigo with my synthetic brush, depicting distant trees on the river shore. I'm moving the paper in different directions to let the paint flow spontaneously on the wetted part of the paper. I'm using a very pale mixture of water and indigo for the sky. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Just with a clean, damp brush, I blend the bottom part of my indigo trees, creating blurred reflections on the water surface. I'm taking my new Casaneo da Vinci No. 2 brush. It's slightly damp. I'm picking up indigo and starting to paint horizontal and diagonal stripes to depict the surface of the river water. Some of my lines are drier, some are wetter. I'm wetting the lower edge of the paper with clean water and applying concentrated indigo. I move the sheet to let the pigment spread beautifully. I help it with the brush. This will be the shore. I'm adding more lines. With a brush with clean water in it, I'm blending areas in some places along the shore. Now I want to add a bit of Green Apatite Genuine to depict areas with vegetation. I am beginning to outline the stems of the plants. Using my thin brush, which is only slightly damp, I am painting the stems with broken lines to make them look more realistic. I'm painting some vegetation on the river banks. It turned out to be too dark here, so I'm lightening this area with a paper towel. I want to add more plants stems to the foreground. Now I will dry the painting with my hair dryer. I decided to add a little ripple to the water surface. I'm outlining the stems of plants in the foreground. And here we have a river landscape. I hope you enjoyed the painting process. If you were painting along with me, you're very welcome to post your artworks in my secret Facebook group for my patrons. The link to my Patreon page is in the description box. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Happy painting!